gentlemen and my two lady viewers, a treat especial. Welcome back to Bleek Rides. Today on the channel, we're doing an unboxing. Before I cover all my pertinent information, Dyna J's custom shop. As I said, a real treat especial. Turn the video light on. Haha. Oh, look at them springs. Oh, 10 millimeter. Stiff. Nice. So we got our springs, and we got the big box. Let's pull this bad boy. Prep guide, install and adjust. Positioning tool, maybe? Lots of stickers, lots of sticker options to really do up the shocks pretty. Kind of like those. Probably go with something like that. The diamonds. Very cool. There's my risers. Instead of doing lift blocks on my Dyna, these screw right into where the eye for the shock will mount up. Give me another inch, which I kind of liked. And finally, the money shot. Let's see these sexy bitches. Oh yeah. See what I mean? You can just unscrew that eyelet, add an inch on, get me up to 13 and a half. I did also order the Delrin bushings. They recommended them for the longevity of the shock's life. Let's go a little step further for the Dyna. Have to find out what the torque specs on these are. Voila, 13 and a half inch, just like that. Always able to pull a little bit more out than the next guy. Fully adjustable reservoir, fully adjustable coil. I did order, I'll have to take these apart and add on because I'm a very healthy weight. I think these came with a standard 8 millimeter spring. I've got these 10s to add to it. Quite a bit girthier. Fuck yeah. And that's my Diamond J's unboxing. Look forward to the install video coming soon.